Hi Don, this is Lee Noring with Hooked on CNC. This video is a progress report on your Viking ship project. As you can see, there's a great deal more left to do with your project. Hopefully next week I'll be able to spend a lot more time on your ship. Uh, so far I've got the hull pretty happy with. I got the shields pretty happy with. The ocean waves I haven't got worked out right. I gotta make the boat not stick up higher than the water. There's quite a bit left to do. I started working on the men today. Most so far, the only thing I've really got done is basic shape of the heads and this guy I gave some hair, but this guy right here doesn't look so good. So a lot of work left to do. Give you an idea what the project involves. This is the three-dimensional construction of the different images and whatnot. This right here is an estimate of what it would look like once it was carved. This has to do with the construction. If I remove all the elements and leave only the vector lines, you can see the vector lines which have been drawn to create the different objects. This line right here is the basic shape of this guy's head. This is his beard, and so on. If you can review the video, let me know if there's anything you'd like to have changed. Please let me know. You have my contact information. Thank you very much for the opportunity of working on this.